In this video, I will show you how to enable futures on Gate.io. So first of all, open up your Gate.io app, and from there, go ahead and click on the Futures tab at the bottom, and from here, click on the three dots at the top right, and right now click on Account Upgrade. And as you can see in here, we have different modes that Gate.io is offering, and every mode has its own strengths and weaknesses. And you will start off with the classic spot mode if you not have upgraded anything yet. And this means that you can trade spots, but not futures. So if you want to trade futures, then you need to upgrade to the single currency margin mode, and that is this one. And if you want to upgrade to this plan, you need to click on upgrade, and then you need to fill in this question list, and then click on I have understood and agree to the user agreement. So once you have done that, you will be able to trade futures on Gate.io. So it is pretty easy and straightforward. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.